Welcome. If you want to manage app permissions on your Huawei P30 Lite, let's move to the settings. Then we have to enter apps, click on the permissions, and as you can see, there we have permissions from the calendar, camera, location, microphone, messages, storage, phone, and also additional permissions. I will go for the location. And right now, when you want to change permissions of, for example, Google Chrome, you have to just click on this marker, and we can also give access to location to our Google Play Store and to the phone clone, the application that you are using to transfer data. And you can do this for every application and every function right here. So thank you for watching, leave thumbs up, comments and subscribe to our channel.